If I had to give an elevator pitch to convince a friend or your family member or coworker to come to Workiva, I would say that you're not going to find a better place that is going to enable you to be your best self.
I mean, it's almost like an unspoken rule that no matter what team you're a part of or what your role is in the company, we're all just kind of one big community, and we all work together towards the same goal, which is essentially making the customer happy, making our product better.
You're going to have an opportunity to sell a high-quality product, work with a really good team that's going to help you accomplish that pursuit, and be able to balance your life and have a good time. Not take yourself too seriously. You can be humble, but you can be successful here.
Workiva supports my work-life balance in every single way possible. I feel fortunate to work here every day, and the reason being is that I have the flexibility to spend time with my family.
I know that the leaders here actually care if I succeed, and they reach out and take a personal vested interest in my happiness and my ability to succeed, and because of that, I've taken the same approach with all my team.
It's very difficult to sell technology that you don't believe in, and I 1000% believe in Workiva.
It's a mission critical product, meaning when you have regulatory issues and stuff like that, that they have to buy it, and that's the difference of a needs versus a want.
We're in a position to continue to be growth oriented with an incredible platform beneath to really put us in a position to transform the way that companies do business.
We've seen countless examples being on calls with customers and giving them a proof point of, saving days or hours off of something, and you literally see their eyes pop and realize like, okay, this is something that we need.
We have tremendous growth. So the future holds is amazing. And when we talk about opportunity, we have one of the best platforms, one of the best products in the market.
There's nothing like our solution out there, especially for salespeople, that give us a certain level of confidence while we're on the phone, because we know that we're selling something that will make their life better.
You're elevated, you have a voice, you're able to be heard, and you're able to make an immediate impact on the organization.
We make a product that gives people time back, and one of the things that really stuck with me when I was being interviewed at Workiva was one of the leaders of the company said, their customer said to them, once I got your software, that was the first year I was able to spend the holidays with my family instead of doing reporting. And I was like, you know what? I think I want to go work for a company that has an impact like that.